हेलो फ्रेंड्स, तो आज हम एक नया सॉल्व करेंगे। दिस इज 2 to the power of 4 plus x equals to x to the power of x. Then find the value of x. So how will find? तो पहले तो हम एज इट इज क्वेश्चन को राइट करेंगे। 2 to the power of 4 plus x इक्वल्स टू x to the power of x. ओके, नाउ अभी हम क्या करेंगे, हमारा ये रूल अप्लाई करेंगे। विच रूल? तो a to the power of b plus c equals to a to the power of b इंटू a to the power of c. सो यहाँ पे हम अप्लाई करेंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा, 2 to the power of 4 इंटू 2 to the power of x इक्वल्स टू x to the power of x. ओके, नाउ अब क्या करेंगे हम, तो विल डिवाइड बोथ साइड बाय 2 to the power of x. So now we'll divide 2 to the power of x both side. Okay, so let's see. 2 to the power of 4 into 2 to the power of x upon 2 to the power of x equals to x to the power of x upon 2 to the power of x. So 2 to the power of x will cut with this. Okay, now 2 to the power of 4 equal to x to the power of x upon 2 to the power of x. Now we have same exponent. We have same exponent here, so we can combine them. Okay, so how will combine? First we'll write this have this 2 have same exponent. So we'll combine them. Okay, so how will combine? So 2 to the power of 4 equals to x divided by 2 to the power of x. Okay, because this one has same exponent, so we have combined this, so we get this x upon 2 to the power of x. We will raise 1 by 2 on both sides, so we'll raise 1 by 2 both sides. Okay, so we will get 2 to the power of 4 bracket 1 by 2. Okay, now x upon 2 to the power of x whole bracket 1 by 2. Now from rule, a to the power of b whole power of c equals to a to the power of b into c. By this rule, we will 2 to the power of 4 by 2 equal to x divided by 2 to the power of x divided by 2. ओके, ये हो गया हमारा. Now this 2 will get cancelled with 4, so here will be 2. So 2 to the power of 2 equal to both side base is same, both side the same base, so we can equate power to power or base to base. ठीक है, both side same base, so we can equate power to power or base to base. So we'll get now x by 2. Okay. Now multiply 2 by both sides. Multiply 2 both side. So क्या मिलेगा हमको? 2 to the power of 2 into 2 equals to x into 2. So here 2 will get with 2. So हमको मिल जाएगा 2 into 2 equals to x. So x equals to 4. हमको मिल गया हमारा x की वैल्यू, x equals to 4. ओके. नाउ अब क्या करेंगे हम? विल क्रॉस वेरीफाई. तो कैसे क्रॉस वेरीफाई करेंगे? तो क्रॉस वेरीफाई. ओके. So how will cross? तो first we'll write our original question. This is x. Okay. Now we'll put in the place of x 4. So 4 plus 4 equals to 4 to the power of 4. Okay. So 2 times 4. So we can write like this. Okay. Now 4 to the power of 4. Okay. Now now we can write 2 to the power of 2 whole to the power of 4 equals to 4 to the power of 4. Okay. So 2 to the power of 4 means 4, and 4 to the power of 4, and here 4 to the power of 4. So by this we can say the solution is correct. We have solved this question correctly.